Jai Hind everybody. So today I am starting with question number 10 of exercise 13.2 कि in the figure you see the frame of a lamp shade. ऐसा कोई फिगर गिवन है. This is the figure of the frame of a lamp shade. It is to be covered with a decorative cloth. इसको जो है किसी decorative cloth से cover करना है. The frame has a base diameter of 20 centimeter. The base radius R will be, the diameter is given 20 centimeter. So this will be 20 upon 2, that is 10 centimeter, and a height of 30 centimeter. Height is equal to given 30 centimeter. A margin of 2.5 centimeter is to be given for folding it over the top and the bottom of the frame. एक 2.5 सेंटीमीटर का मार्जिन दिया गया है, यहाँ पर भी बॉटम से भी और टॉप से भी, इसको जो है कवर करने के लिए. तो व्हाट विल बी द टोटल हाइट नाउ? टोटल हाइट that will be, the margin is given of 2.5 centimeter at the top, this 30 is the middle one, and 2.5 centimeter at the bottom. When you will add, you will get 35 centimeter. Okay. Question is this: find how much cloth is required for covering the lampshade. ठीक है. Cloth required for covering the lamp shade, that will be CSA of the cylindrical lamp shade, and this will be 2 pi r, and now the H will be this capital H. Okay, because 2.5 is the margin here, and 2.5 is the margin at the top side, and 30 was in the middle. So that is capital H we will take here as a height. Now put all the values. You will get 2 pi is always 22 upon 7, r you are given 10 centimeter, and the height is 35. Now just divide it. 2 into 22, 7 into 5. When you will divide, you will get this. Now it will become 10 5 जा 50 2 जा 100, that is 2200 centimeter square. 2200 centimeter square. This is the total cloth required for covering the lampshade. And now this is question number 11. The students of a Vidyalaya were asked to participate in competition for making and decorating pen holders in the shape of a cylinder with a base using cardboard. ठीक है, आपको जो है किसी कंपटीशन में पार्टिसिपेंट दिया गया है, किसी केंद्रीय विद्यालय का किसी स्कूल में जो है आपको पार्टिसिपेशन दिया गया है कि वो पार्टिसिपेशन होता है और कैसा होता है कि आपको पेन होल्डर बनाना है विद द शेप ऑफ सिलेंडर पेन होल्डर. Just look pen holder will be like of this shape, okay, where this surface will be closed, this surface will be closed, ठीक है। जब ये सरफेस क्लोज होगा तभी पेन जो है इसके अंदर रह पाएगा, और ये जो अपर सरफेस है ये कैसा होगा, ओपन, तभी आप इसमें क्या है, पेन रख पाएंगे। ईच पेन होल्डर वॉज टू बी ऑफ रेडियस 3 सेंटीमीटर। व्हाट इज द रेडियस ऑफ द पेन होल्डर, दैट इज 3 सेंटीमीटर एंड हाइट ऑफ 10.5 centimeter, 10.5 centimeter. The Vidyalaya was to supply the competitors with cardboard. तो इसके लिए क्या है, कार्डबोर्ड की ज़रूरत है। If there were 35 competitors, how much cardboard were required to be brought for the competitors? अगर कि वहाँ पर टोटल 35 competitors हैं तो कितना कार्डबोर्ड जो है स्कूल को मंगाना चाहिए, ओके। तो सब फर्स्ट वन इज दिस, एरिया ऑफ कार्डबोर्ड रिक्वायर्ड फॉर 1 पेन होल्डर। तो एक पेन होल्डर के लिए कितना कार्डबोर्ड चाहिए, this CSA of cylinder plus this one, area of this circular base, area of the circular base. Now CSA of cylinder will be 2 pi RH plus pi R square. If you take pi R common, you will get here 2H plus R. Now put all the values. Pi is 22/7. R you have given 3 in the bracket. 2 H is given 10.5 and plus 3. So just solve it. You will get 22/7 into 3 and this is 10.2, 21 plus 3, that is 24 centimeter square, okay. This was the area required for 1 pen holder. Now there are the total number of competitors 35, therefore total area of cardboard required for 35 pen holders. एक के लिए कितना है, दिस वन, तो 35 के लिए 35 into 22/7 into 3 into 24. Just look here, 7 5 ja 5 into 22 into 3 into 24. Now just multiply them. 22 5 ja 110 into 3, 330 into 24. Just multiply them. 24 3 ja 72, 24 3 ja 72 and 7 79. So this is the total area of the cardboard required for 35 competitors, okay. That is 7920 centimeter square, centimeter square. Now the next thing we have cone. This is the cone. This one, which is 90 degree here, this is called height of the cone. Height of the cone, which is shown by L. From here, this is radius, base radius R. This is denoted by R. This height or this height is known as slant height, and it is denoted by L. It is denoted by L. Now just look at the formula. The first one is, just look at this base. This base is a circular base. So first, circumference of the base. This will be given by 2 pi r. The second thing is base area. The base is also a circle. This will be pi r square. The third one is slant height L. This will be given by, just look at this triangle. Suppose this is A, B and C. This is a right angle triangle, and we can use the Pythagoras theorem. So what will happen? This L square will be equal to this H square plus R square. Therefore, L will be under root R square plus H square. It's okay. Now, CSA of the cone, curved surface area. This is given by pi into R into L. The last thing is total surface area. Total surface area of the cone. This will be pi RL, and when we will add this CSA plus this area of the base, this will be area of the base is pi r square. Now you can take pi r common. In bracket you will get L plus R. L plus R. So what is the total surface area of the cone? That is pi r and in bracket L plus R. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.